Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how AI is transforming wildlife conservation. From tracking endangered species to predicting poaching activities, technology is giving conservationists powerful tools to protect our planet's most vulnerable animals. We'll explore real-world examples and innovative AI solutions, making a difference in ecosystems worldwide. If you're passionate about technology and wildlife, you won't want to miss this. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Number 5. Poaching detection. Poaching remains one of the biggest threats to endangered species worldwide. With the rise of AI in wildlife conservation, detecting illegal hunting activities has become faster and more efficient. AI-powered drones and camera systems are deployed in vulnerable areas to monitor wildlife in real time. These systems can automatically recognize suspicious human movement or the presence of weapons, sending instant alerts to rangers on the ground. Machine learning algorithms are trained on patterns of poaching activity, allowing the technology to distinguish between normal wildlife behavior and potential threats. In addition to real-time monitoring, AI can analyze historical data to identify poaching hotspots and predict when and where illegal activities are likely to occur. This predictive capability helps conservationists allocate resources more effectively, focusing patrols where they are needed most. Furthermore, integrating AI with satellite imagery provides a broader perspective, tracking environmental changes that may influence poaching patterns. By combining these advanced technologies, poaching detection becomes more proactive rather than reactive, increasing the chances of saving endangered species from illegal hunting. Overall, AI transforms the fight against poaching into a smarter, faster, and more strategic effort. Number 4. Climate impact. AI technology is transforming the way conservationists understand and respond to climate change effects on wildlife. By analyzing vast amounts of environmental data, including temperature shifts, rainfall patterns, and deforestation rates, AI can predict how these changes impact the habitats of endangered species. For instance, machine learning models can identify areas likely to become unsuitable for certain animals, allowing conservationists to prioritize relocation or protection strategies before a crisis occurs. Additionally, AI can simulate future scenarios, helping researchers understand the potential long-term consequences of climate change on biodiversity. This predictive capability is crucial because traditional methods often rely on manual observation, which can be slow and limited in scope. With AI, patterns emerge that might otherwise go unnoticed, revealing how ecosystems interact and how species adapt or fail to adapt to shifting conditions. Moreover, this technology can inform policymakers, enabling data-driven decisions about land use, protected areas, and restoration projects. In essence, AI bridges the gap between raw environmental data and actionable conservation strategies, giving endangered species a better chance to survive in a rapidly changing world. By leveraging AI for climate impact analysis, conservation efforts become more proactive, precise, and effective. Number 3. Habitat protection. Habitat protection is one of the most critical aspects of wildlife conservation, and AI is revolutionizing how it is approached. By analyzing large data sets from satellites, drones, and field sensors, AI can identify regions where wildlife habitats are most vulnerable to threats such as deforestation, urban expansion, or natural disasters. These predictive models allow conservationists to prioritize areas that need immediate attention, ensuring that limited resources are used efficiently. Additionally, AI can simulate the effects of various environmental changes on habitats, helping planners design protected zones that maximize the survival chances of endangered species. For example, it can track migration patterns, vegetation changes, and water availability to determine the most suitable areas for wildlife. Furthermore, AI-driven tools can monitor human activities encroaching on these habitats, issuing alerts when illegal logging or construction occurs. By integrating real-time monitoring with long-term predictive insights, habitat protection efforts become more proactive rather than reactive. This not only preserves existing ecosystems, but also helps restore degraded areas, ultimately contributing to the sustainability of wildlife populations. In essence, AI enables smarter, faster, and more precise conservation strategies, making habitat protection significantly more effective in safeguarding endangered species. Number 2. Climate impact analysis. Climate change is one of the biggest threats to wildlife, and AI plays a vital role in understanding its effects. Through machine learning and predictive models, AI can analyze vast amounts of environmental data such as temperature shifts, rainfall patterns, and sea level changes. This analysis helps scientists identify how ecosystems are evolving and which species are most vulnerable to changing conditions. For example, AI can predict how rising temperatures may alter migration routes, breeding cycles, or food availability for endangered animals. These insights allow conservationists to take timely actions, such as creating adaptive habitats or supporting species relocation to safer regions. Additionally, AI integrates data from satellites, sensors, and climate models to map areas at the highest risk of droughts, floods, or wildfires, giving conservation teams a clearer picture of future challenges. By forecasting long-term climate impacts, decision-makers can develop strategies that protect not just individual species, but entire ecosystems. This data-driven approach ensures that conservation efforts are more targeted, effective, and sustainable. In essence, AI-driven climate impact analysis empowers scientists and policymakers to stay ahead of environmental changes, securing the survival of endangered species in a rapidly shifting world. Number 1. Data-driven decisions. Data-driven decisions play a crucial role in modern wildlife conservation by using artificial intelligence to process large volumes of ecological data. Traditionally, conservationists relied on field observations, which were often time-consuming and limited in scope. With AI, data from camera traps, satellite imagery, drones, and sensors can be analyzed quickly to provide detailed insights into species behavior, population dynamics, and habitat health. This allows conservationists to identify patterns that were previously difficult to detect, such as migration routes, breeding hotspots, or areas where species are at risk from human activities. AI models can also simulate different conservation strategies, helping experts prioritize actions that will have the most impact. By using predictive analytics, authorities can anticipate threats such as poaching, habitat loss, or climate change effects and take preventive measures in advance. Furthermore, integrating AI with real-time monitoring ensures that interventions are timely and effective, reducing the risk of species decline. Overall, data-driven decisions empower conservation organizations to allocate resources efficiently, implement targeted protection measures, and make informed policies, significantly improving the chances of survival for endangered species in a rapidly changing world. Thanks for watching and learning about the incredible ways AI is helping protect endangered species. Technology is truly changing the future of wildlife conservation, and every effort counts. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into tech and nature, make sure to subscribe to our channel.